Hello everybody, welcome from Tramtown. You join us today from Tram 66, which is why I'm echoing slightly. We're giving the tram a nice clean and ready for it to go out later. We're cleaning all the brass today. It's a very special tram in Blackpool. It doesn't actually belong to Blackpool, and including the name. This is actually a Bolton Tram and used to run up and down in Bolton, but it has been with us since the 80s. It's been restored, and in its journey it's now getting closer, increasingly close to actually spending more time in Blackpool than it did in Bolton. But it's a very special tram, as you can tell. It's one of the oldest running trams that we have in Blackpool, and it gives you fantastic views. I sat on it myself during the King's Coronation Parade, and you see you get some fantastic views of the Tramtown from here as well. So I'm going to just take you downstairs, and you'll see the team hard at work with the cleaning. And over there you can actually see the Coronation Street tram, so we'll be providing an update on that shortly, on what we're doing. And I'll just put my finger, that's that tram there. So I'll just walk down and we'll go and say hello to Kieran, who's hard at work on cleaning the brasso. So just other products are available. So here we go. We've got a special guest star, Kieran. Hello. Hi. Kieran, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. So what have you been doing today, Kieran?
I've been cleaning 666.
Oh, brilliant, excellent. And you can see the difference. You can actually see your reflection now on them, can't you?
Yeah.
Those handrails and so on.
Yeah.
And the idea is here that as the tram goes out, we want it to look really nice and shiny and clean, and then all the passengers can really enjoy its journey. And Kieran's just recently joined us, haven't you, Kieran?
I have, yes.
You're from, is it Project Search, Kieran?
Project Search, yeah.
Brilliant, excellent. How are you finding it?
It's great. I'm really enjoying this.
Oh, fantastic, excellent. And you're a key member of the team, aren't you?
I am, yes.
Brilliant. So yeah, Kieran's doing a wonderful job, and I'll take a cut so you can see what the tram looks like from the outside. And here I am outside of the tram, and this is, I'm sure you're all familiar with her, the Bolton 66 tram from the outside. You see Kieran hard at work making those rails look really shiny. But yeah, I think you'll agree she's a beautiful tram, very popular, and we're very lucky that she plies her trade here in Blackpool. So that's over and out from us for the day. We'll let Kieran get back to his hard work. Do you want to say goodbye, Kieran, to everybody?
Bye, everyone.
Brilliant, and see you all soon.